Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Niamh. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Blew it. Woo! Yeah, Niamh. Yeah, you need to make a wish for your birthday.
Yeah. But I can't tell you because otherwise it won't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it won't come true.
Oh, okay. Hopefully. Yeah.
You can use it, like, get a photo today from the laser tag.
Yeah, we should send him a picture.
Don't be being mean to you. We've sent you in here. Isn't it like bowling or something?
No, stop, no. I don't know. It's been so long since I've been.
Yeah, it has, isn't it?
It's not like...
Laser Zoo. Woo!
Spelling.
Okay, fine, I'll get it. But where are you now?
So basically, what is inside the box? We have like this is like manual book for scooter Aovo. So the brand is Aovo Pro ES80, and then we've got here is kind of like this is like the plug to connect to this one for charge of this scooter because it is like electric scooter. And then we've got here is some kind of bolt screws. Yeah, screws.
Yeah.
So we need to put it on this side and then lock it. So we'll try to do it and see you after this. Yeah. Oh my god. Are you ready to film me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, boy. So finally we already like complete what we got set up everything from the scooter itself. So yeah, so we can look. This is like the model of our GoPro as ES80. So I will show you guys a video clip when I ride the scooter next time.